Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'll talk about API3 targets updates with my customer said. What's going on now with this token? Let's dive in. All right, guys. You'll be surprised, but this is absolutely the same levels, the same fee, the same targets. What I shared with you just more than a year ago, because I hope you not skip this video. If you skip it, highly recommend you guys go in Telegram channel, find the post with the Notion link. There are over than 500, I guess, different altcoins with a totally detailed bull run plans. It's not random. All targets showed before January zone 24. I showed you all targets for API3 and zones for accumulation. Relevant. Take a look. 48.9 cents. It was a 27 block. Where we stop it? We stop it at 49 and 17. Just a few penny we didn't touch that level, level, not even a zone. So guys, all this time period, the 27 zone was like accumulation zones were more than okay. Accumulate this token for the bull run. That's the point why the whales needed time. That's that moment when I posted the video, December, where that one? January, I guess, zone 24. This one, January 24, we stop it at 23 level FIP and the close monthly gap. Done. So this is the update. So my take is most crazy scenario for this token. It's a sweep of actual high around $11. With this current circulation supply, guys, $11 will be around 14 billion market capitalization. It's madness. It's a madness for this token. Why? Because the highest point of the market cap now was like 500, half billion. New all-time highs, guys, it's 1042, so around $11 and 1525. I don't think so. We will go over than $15, but it will be even the miracle if we will hit the $11. So most conservative price targets, guys, if we hit like 651, 743. Yes, it's not a big gains, guys. I totally agree. So take a look. The November zone 20. This token made like 1,900, around 2,000% gains. If we count this run, so for example, from the bottom, we can reach, let's say, like 61 level FIP, it will be 1,400% gains. Maybe that's why, guys. Yes, we need to count not from current price where when we pump. We have to count from the zone of interest, from the lowest point. And congrats everybody who accumulated between like $1.19 and 48 cents. Should you buy now or not? It's only up to you. Just up to your own risk. For example, if we had the 743, it will be 365. If it's okay for your risk reward ratio, money management, you can accumulate it now. Why not? Of course, it's not an end of cycle. Definitely, guys. Somebody will draw the trend lines. Downtrend lines like this one, on API3 since February. So technically, maybe we're already out of that downtrend. We should retest it. So $1.19 will be more than okay retest and go higher in October, November. That's why sooner or later, guys, anyway, we will go to the main targets, conservative one. It's just a matter of time because the liquidity will start inflow into alts. Take a look. The take profit line now it's $2.33. So this is like a magnet. We traded a long-term period under fundamental value. It was a great time for accumulation. Highly recommend you guys use this indicator set, to double check what's going on with the tokens, not after the fact, but in real time. So here, this is the exit line, $2.62. It's on a weekly. Daily time frame, of course, we trade way over exit line. Buy line now on a daily is 48 cents. I don't think so. We're going to drop to that line because we retested here and here. It was a good time for entry in June. Now, we need to move straight forward to the zero level with retest or without, because it's simple price delivery. Got it. Take profit I showed you. Take a look the ADZ direction. Highly recommend you just an educational purpose. Go and check the first video, what I posted over than a year ago to understand the logic, of that zone, of that entries and that zone of fixation. Here was a distribution. Now, nothing. So accumulation, distribution. Now we're just in the middle. Here how the whales accumulated. Since January 25, the whales accumulated. Nice one. Now no accumulation, no distribution, nothing. So we just in range. On the direction indicator, right? Daily. Yes, we at the top, so soon we will see the distribution, right? But no signal to sell on direction. That's why, guys, main targets relevant. It's just a matter of time when. Timing, nobody can predict the timing. Market smooth, guys, yes, overhype it on daily. The last time to buy was here in capitulation zone at the end of June. Weekly time frame here, January 75, March 75, capitulation accumulate. Here's a June 75 and 3 weeks, 4 weeks in a row, basically on June was accumulation. Now it's a hope. So it's a hope, optimism on the chart. Time for distribution and A3, I think, will be around 6:51. Trade on. Take a look. The sell. Only buyback signals. So a lot of buyback signals. I'm not tracked the IP3, right? I skip it. I can't buy every single token. It was a signal to sell, buy back, now pump. No signal to sell or close position or out of this token. And the last one, guys, money power. Daily. Here the last money inflow August, beginning of August. Now we're at the top, no money outflow. Technically it's good. So I think we will see some higher price targets, before the correction. Here's the money inflow in January, February. So comfortable price for the whales was like 68.90 cents. So $1.86. That's why we got a reaction and rejection, because of that guys who accumulated approximately. Guys, take a look. So the logic of money power indicator. So approximately 2 weeks, the whales accumulate 90 cents, lowest point, and the 68. So in average, it could be like 75 cents, for example. So $1.50, it's a 100% profit. Where we now? So they fix just withdraw initial deposit. So they not fix maybe. We can't know what's going on chain, right? We and especially on centralized exchanges. But they fix some profit to withdraw initial deposit, probably. So this is based on my experience, what I realized and what I track all the time happening with the token. So when they got like good average entry, we pump and define the rejection exactly at 100%, not from the bottom, 100% from their average entries. So just some small trick. Guys, all targets relevant. I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what are your realistic thoughts about AP3. If you'd like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.